Good day, Mrs. Mary Grace. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Mary Grace Digo Lalakaw. I am 30 years old. I am married to my husband with 3 children, boy and girl. I am graduated at high school. I've been working in Malaysia for 2 years. My duties and responsibility there is cooking, washing, ironing, gardening, and washing car.
How do you overcome your homesickness?
Madam, sir, I overcome my homesickness to make myself busy.
If you commit a mistake in your employer, what will you do?
Madam, sir, if I committed mistake to my employer, I immediately apologize to them.
What if the mother of your employer doesn't speak English? How did you communicate with them?
Madam, sir, if the mother of my employer doesn't know how to speak English, I will try to appreciate her with sign language and try my best to learn your language.
You have last message to your future employer. Can you tell them now?
Madam, sir, please choose me as your household, and I promise that I'm hardworking and kind and patient, and I promise that I will finish my contract.
Thank you, Mrs. Mary Grace. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong.